Man, we're there on Facebook. We're there. Yeah, that's why I share some country music with you guys, you know? Yeah, man. Like how we do it in Jamaica, yeah? Yeah, man. Never complain of the bad times or the bad things he's done before. Yeah, so we're at the Lake Placid Farmers Market. He just talks about yeah, man. Wow, look at those guys over there. They're having a good time. Yeah, man. Alright, so if you're in the area, come on by, check us out. There's lots of goodies here for you guys. Yeah, man, if you want some plants, there's plants all over. We got the CBD over here, and jewelries, and food. Everything is here, man. So come on through, and some good music, alright? Yeah, man. You might be wondering where my lovely wife Jessica is. She's at the Buttonwood Bay. So if you can't make it down here to Lake Placid, then come on over to Buttonwood and stop by and say hi, all right? My other half is over there. Yeah, man. But all right, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Now, let me show you outside so you can see the whole thing. All right. Wow, look at these vegetables, man. They're so huge. Wow, look at this. Can you believe that's food growing like that? Woo, nice. And look, we have more out here. Not sure what this is, but I know it's a vegetable, kale or something like that. I'm not sure. I don't want to call it wrong name. But yeah, man, this is where we're at. Alright. So come on, true. Yeah, man. One love. Take care.